morning, guys. It is Friday. Ooh, I don't even know what day it is. Hold on, let me check. It is Friday, October 19th. So today is my day off. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I promise you I didn't wake up at 10 o'clock. I woke up at 9 o'clock, but I spent an hour in bed just watching YouTube and all that fun stuff. But anyways, I just thought today, since I have a lot of time to kill because I really don't have anything to do today, I would show you kind of what I eat in a day. Really not gonna be anything that special. This is just gonna be like a real time, like what I would usually eat in a day, especially like when I have time off and like I can actually cook stuff at home. Just an FYI, I am not vegan. I do eat very plant-based meals, but I do sometimes incorporate like eggs into breakfast, or I'll eat chicken or turkey or red meat, whatever I feel like, but most of my meals are plant-based. I like to eat mostly vegetables and then add in grains and protein and things like that. So if you are not vegan, these meals will work for you, and if you are vegan, maybe you can just change some of the ingredients up to make it more suited towards your diet, things like that. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna drink my nasty apple cider vinegar and lemon water that I'm still not used to. And then I'm gonna make myself some coffee and some breakfast. I was gonna make myself some avocado toast, but Trader Joe's is playing me and not giving me ripe avocados, so I think I'm just gonna make myself an egg scramble and call it a day. Let's go. Breakfast, I just have an egg scramble with some spinach, and I put some salt, pepper, and mix everything with avocado oil. And then I just have 2 pieces of whole wheat toast with some butter. Sorry, I can't eat toast plain. If you can, more power to you, and I don't know, you guys have some different taste buds than I do, but plain toast to me is just like the worst, driest thing ever, so I had to put something on it. So I put butter. It's fine. And then I just have my coffee, and now I'm gonna go enjoy this and watch either How I Met Your Mother or The Office. Tell me down below which one you like better if you've seen either. I used to be a How I Met Your Mother fan more, but now I kind of am more of an Office fan, but I've kind of watched The Office like all the way through so many times at this point that I'm just switching back to How I Met Your Mother, even though I've seen that show so many times all the way through. It's just, if you guys have any more TV or Netflix recommendations for me, let your girl know, because I'm all out of shows. I've watched quite literally already everything, so help a girl out. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat breakfast. I'll catch you guys at lunchtime. Peace. Okay, so it's now like 3:30. I just got out of like an hour and a half bath, and I'm hungry again. I eat kind of late in the day, if you haven't like noticed. Like I usually don't eat my first meal, I guess like breakfast, until like 11 or 12, and then I eat lunch at like 3:30, and then I eat dinner at like 7:38. I mean, 'cause that's usually like the time I get off of work and when Casey gets off of work, so we eat kind of late. But yeah, that's just my life. And now I have the kitchen light on because it's starting to get dark, because now it gets dark early and I live in a back house, and so all of the light is gone from my house now. Anyways, so for lunch I'm gonna make some butternut squash soup. It's just a really easy recipe. You only need a couple ingredients, an oven and a blender, and we're good to go. So let's get into that. Okay, so for this recipe we just need some canned butternut squash. We need some chicken stock, and if you're vegan you can always switch out to vegetable stock. 1 big onion, and then some carrots. I'm gonna peel and just chop up some carrots. Gonna just lightly cut up the onion, and then I'm gonna roast them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, so I just put all of those veggies into the oven, and I'm gonna cook them for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on just, you know, how long they're gonna take to get nice and roasted. But while I wait, I got this new kombucha from Trader Joe's yesterday. It's the GTS Living in Gratitude Fall Edition kombucha. And let me let go, stop, hold on. Anyways, it's the Living in Gratitude Fall Edition kombucha with apple, turmeric, carrot, and spices. And you know me, I love everything about fall, so I got it to try it out, and we'll see how this goes, if I can open it. Hold on. Trying to make me work. I'm so sore from Soul Cycle yesterday. I can't do anything. It smells, I don't know, I can't tell, but I don't know if I like the way it smells. Okay. It tastes better than it smells. Like when you smell it, you almost think it's gonna taste like one of those like really pungent juices, like that are full of just vegetables. I'm not about that life, but this is actually pretty good, and I think it's the perfect addition to go with my very fall themed lunch today of butternut squash soup. I'm making pumpkin soup next week, so stay tuned for that because, you know, all about these fall foods. You hear ghosts barking outside? This dog never stops barking. Like, I don't understand what, how, why me? Testing this out. I love fall recipes. I love like everything pumpkin and squash. Like, it's just so good. And I honestly didn't even like think that I made that much, but I now have soup for like the rest of the week. So go me. And Casey doesn't even like butternut squash, so it's literally all for me, and I'm excited. So I'm gonna eat my soup now, and it's now 5 o'clock, but Casey doesn't get off till 8 o'clock, so I probably won't have dinner till like 8:30. So this is like a nice little late lunch / snack to keep me satisfied until I have dinner. So don't judge me. And these croutons like just make it that much better, because they're garlic and parmesan. Like, I'm proud of myself right now. I just like to let you know. I came up with this recipe like all on my own from a variation of looking at different recipes online of like butternut squash soups, and I'm very happy with how this turned out. I will list the recipe down below so you guys can make it yourself. It literally was actually like pretty easy, besides just having to roast the vegetables in the oven for like ever. But after that, just throw everything in the blender and you got yourself some soup. I'm gonna struggle to open this wine now.
Probably going to go late tonight, burning the midnight tequila. So I think you all should just take off. Michael, should take more. They just
Can you get me? Can you put a shirt on and get me 2 like glasses? No one wants to see nudity on YouTube. For dinner tonight, some mushroom truffle pizza, some chicken wings, and of course, my hair's stuck, some wine. Yeah, not the healthiest dinner, but you know what? Balance. It's all about balance, people. Right? Right. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm starving now, so I'm gonna eat my pizza and drink my wine, and maybe we'll watch a fall Halloween themed movie on this wonderful Friday night in my pajamas, already at 8:30 p.m. Yup, 8:30 p.m., 9 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!